You may have heard that the Roadmap 3.0 teaches you how to become a digital marketer. So the ultimate goal of the Roadmap course has never been to teach you how to become a marketer. If you searched on Google how to start a business or how to become a freelancer or do something online that's outside of your regular job, your standard 9 to 5, then the chances are you stumbled upon a course called Roadmap 3.0 or Roadmap Exclusive. And you may be wondering what's the difference between the two, what they are, and what they're going to teach you, and essentially if it's a good fit for you on your journey. Well, let me tell you, you're in the right place. Hi there, I'm Nadia, and I'm here to shed some light on all things digital products and systems for your online business, even if you are just starting out. In this video, we will look into two courses. They are essentially from the same creators, Hannah and Zach Pippins, and we will break you down the difference between the old version, the Roadmap 3.0, and the Roadmap Exclusive. But first, let's step back for a minute and talk about digital marketing. So you may have heard that the Roadmap 3.0 teaches you how to become a digital marketer. But I would like to bust that myth a little bit because the Roadmap 3.0 or 2.0 version, or even the very first version, Roadmap to Riches, was essentially created to educate people how to start a business. Business foundations and basics, what it takes to be a business owner, and how to set up your systems, automations, how to connect the domain, what the domain is, how to market yourself, represent yourself online, and all the things. Okay. So the ultimate goal of the Roadmap course has never been to teach you how to become a marketer. The goal was and is to teach you how to start a business, whether it's an offline business, online business, just becoming a freelancer, being a business owner, or anything in between. In fact, digital marketing is just a type of marketing where companies present themselves and promote their products or services via digital channels such as social media, email, search engines, and more. Although both courses, Roadmap 3.0 and Roadmap Exclusive, cover these topics and explain the ways and types of marketing, that's not the purpose of the course. Again, the purpose of the course is to educate you and teach you about starting a business, becoming an individual who is working for themselves. By now, you know that the Roadmap course made huge noise in 2023, and it was very controversial. Some people hated it, some people loved it. So there was a lot of talk about it on social media and on the internet as a whole. So the Roadmap Exclusive is a newly recorded and updated course that teaches you about starting and growing your business, whether it's online or offline. The course is here to help you find your unique knowledge, develop your skills, create your own resources, find your network, and establish your reputation, and essentially automate your business so it's working for you. The Roadmap Exclusive also comes with the community where you can interact with other like-minded people. Right now, as of recording of this video, we have over 13,000 people all working on their own businesses around their passions with the help of the community and the actual course and its content. But here's a little caveat about the Roadmap Exclusive course. Unlike the Roadmap 3.0, it does not have master resale rights license attached to it, which means we as members don't have the right to resell the course as is. However, what we can do is become the affiliates, and this way we can promote the course through our own channels, whether it's an email, on social media, following all the guidelines that's set by its creators, Hannah and Zach, and get a commission for every successful sale. The commission is very, very generous. It's 80% per sale, which is around $470, depending on the fees, because the new price of the course is $597. You may know the course, the Roadmap 3.0 course, was priced at $497. But you may be wondering what happened to the Roadmap 3.0, right? And if it's still worth purchasing and what you will learn from it. and how you can resell it and all that. So let's break it down. The 3.0 version still exists. However, in order to purchase the Roadmap 3.0, the reseller has to host it on the platform of their choice. So whether it's a Kajabi, Thinkific, Podia, or School or Teachable, it's really up to the reseller, but they have to host it on their platform. There is no community as it used to be. However, the reseller, as a bonus, or it's actually really up to them if they want to have a community that's run by them. So the creators of the course, Zach and Hannah, have nothing to do with the community any longer unless you purchase the Roadmap exclusive. The Roadmap 3.0, the reseller essentially takes care of all of the hosting of the community, of the any questions that you may have. So it's really up to them. Also, when you purchase and you want to resell the course, because it does come with the master resell rights, you will have to do the same thing. You will have to find the platform that you want to host it, and you'll have to set it up. You will have to create the website and the sales page and all the payment gateways and all that. So it's essentially becoming all up to you on how to set up that funnel for your future customers. Also, the price will have to be at least $497. And what I would recommend to do, if you do decide to go this route, what I would recommend doing is to add some more value to what the course already is. Because if you think of it, there's so many people who still have the Roadmap 3.0 and trying to resell that version, although they already hosted it on their own channels. But you will want to stand out. You will want to add some possibly bonuses or extras to add more value to your customers. Because, if we are selling all the same thing, people just really don't have the preference, or there's no incentive for them to purchase specifically from you. So there will be a little bit more work on your end when you will want to do that. You will want to add more bonuses or some additional support, maybe another community and whatnot. So think of that if you consider purchasing the 3.0 version. I hope my video helped you in some way and you found some answers to your questions. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I will also add some additional information in the description. And also, I want you to know that whether you decide to purchase one course or the other, or none of them, or maybe you want to find a coach or a mentor that will help you on your entrepreneurial journey, to start your business, to start a side hustle, or whatever you want to call it, something that you've been thinking about for months, for years. And just know that there is no wrong way of doing things. It's really about finding the thing that aligns with you, that you feel good about. Again, whether it's a course or a mentor, or just watching video tutorials on YouTube, reading blog posts. So it really doesn't matter. It's just tune into it and understand what really sticks with you, what aligns with you, and just go with it. And of course, if you feel like the Roadmap exclusive is the right fit for you, if you just need to be surrounded by people who just get you, who understand you, who are willing to help you, the community of the Roadmap exclusive is so generous, and you will learn so much from the tutorials, from the videos, and from the people. And I think personally, investing in the Roadmap back in 2023 was one of the best decisions that I made. And I know I still have access to it, and I can rewatch even the basic and fundamental videos over and over again to keep me grounded, to keep me on track in doing what I love doing and where I want to get. Of course, check out the description under this video if you are interested, and leave any questions that you may wonder about. And that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.